All right, so in this video, we're going to look at how to combine roots of different types into a single rational expression. So here we have the square root of x multiplied by the fifth root of x. And so we'd like to make that into a single expression, some sort of root of just one x, maybe a power of x, but x without having two different kinds of roots. So the way that we're going to proceed for this is we're going to first rewrite our expressions as fractional exponents. So we're going to have x to the 1/2 power for the square root. And then we're also going to have x to the 1/5 power for the fifth root of x. Now, when you have numbers with the same base being multiplied together, then you add the exponents. So then this will become x to the 1/2 plus 1/5. Now, just to make things a little bit easier, I'm going to pull this addition out of the exponent so that we can, not only is easier to see, but we can work with it and then return to the problems. All right, so if we want to add fractions that have two different denominators, we have to find a common denominator. In this case, our common denominator is going to be 10, since 2 and 5 are relatively prime. And so if I multiply 1/2 by 5/5, I'm going to get the equivalent fraction of 5/10. And if I multiply 1/5 by 2/2, then I'm going to get 2/10. So now they have common denominator, and we have two equivalent fractions with the same denominator. And so we can add the numerators and we can get 7/10. So our expression can now be written as x to the 7/10. Great, but now we want to write it back in root form. And what this tells us, the denominator of our root of our exponent is the root, and the numerator is the power, the exponent. So this is going to be essentially equivalent to the 10th root of x to the 7th.